Are you in the market for a backup camera for your RV? Well then stick around, because today we're doing an in-depth review on the Halo View. And we're starting in 3, 2, Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, the world's only channel that gives you the true unbiased review about everything when it comes to RVs. And again, today we're doing a review on a backup camera from a brand called Halo View. They are a brand new company in the backup camera game, and they actually sent me this product for free, but it doesn't matter. We're still gonna review it, and it's gonna be unbiased. I do my reviews based off of 4 factors: the price, the installation, the features that it has on it, and the overall quality, to sum it all up to give you a final review whether you should buy this product or it's a piece of and you shouldn't buy it. So stick around, it's a short video, it's only about 5 minutes. I'm gonna do the unboxing and then I'm gonna show you the features and the quality of it. Let's get started. Okie dokie, so here's the package and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you, show you what everything is. This is the user manual, and I'll have a lot of this spec stuff in the description below. This is the monitor. It's big, 7-inch, great resolution. I believe it's 1024 by 720, high definition, really nice monitor. This is the camera that mounts onto the back. And then it has the mounting spot, and that's the wire that you hook up. It's called one of the trigger wires. This right here is the mount, the center mount bracket that you stick on your vehicle if you want to mount it there. This is one of the trigger wires as well. Actually, no, that's the camera conversion cable. Right here, these are the antennas because it is wireless. This is a power source for you to hook up with the cigarette lighters. That is the BMW connector adapter. That was the trigger wires. And then these are just some angle adjustment screws and everything else. And then that is a sun shield. Let's see what this thing has. Volume. Oh, you can also hear what's behind you. This is a nice feature. You can record if you install a memory chip. You can make it brighter. You can make it darker. You can also have multiple cameras, up to 4. This also has a really good range, so if you hook it up to a long 5th wheel or toy hauler, you can still see behind you. Here is something I do like. You can keep it plugged in, and when the button's not lit up, it's off, and when you want to turn it on, you just push the button on. So when it comes to comparing, right now I'm comparing the Halo View to a motorhome backup camera that's in a $200,000 diesel pusher, and as you can see, the Halo View is HD and a lot better quality than this standard camera in a $200,000 motorhome. Now, how this quality looks compared to the Furrion is different. Let me show you what the Furrion looks like. So this is the Furrion camera as it's driving down the road. As you can see, very similar with the red, yellow, and green marks showing you the distance behind it. But as you can see with this side-by-side comparison, the Halo View camera screen is just really great quality in high definition, which I'm a big fan of. So now it's time for my final review. Should you buy it or should you pass on it? So the first review is the pricing. Now, when I first started recording this video, I saw the price on Amazon, which was $211.99 with Amazon Prime. And so I gave it 5 stars because I thought that was great. Well, since then, with me finishing the editing on this video, I rechecked it and now it's $249. Still a great price for a great quality backup camera, but now it gets 4 stars. Next is the installation. Now, I was not a fan about how this was installed. this was not the easiest backup camera that the shop guys ever had to use, and it took them a little bit of time. Definitely not as easy as the Furrion backup camera for installation, so I'm going to give that 2 out of 5 stars. Next is the features. I really love how you're able to sync up more than one camera. That's an awesome feature. I like how you're able to record the screen and how far away the wireless backup camera works. It's really great for the big fifth wheels and the long toy haulers. So for that and all the features that it has for it, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. And then the final review about the overall quality, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5, folks. I think it's a great image, a great big screen, perfect, and it gets the job done for seeing what's behind you while you're driving. So what all this means is the final review, adding it all up and averaging it all together, it gets a 3.75 out of 5 stars. I really, really like this backup camera, guys. And let me tell you, 2 things. 1, if you're handy and you don't have a problem installing stuff yourself and you know how to tinker with stuff, then don't even worry about the installation part because you're only doing it one time, and then after that, it's done. But other than that, the overall quality, I really love, and the price I really love. 1, at $250, it's so much cheaper than the competition, and just as good, if not better, for the quality features of the screen. But again, it got 4 out of 5 for the pricing. Now, if you're able to find it for $211 again, then that actually brings it to a 4 out of 5, not a 3.7 out of 5. But overall, a great quality camera at a great price. I do recommend it. I think it's a great product. And if you'd like to buy this product, I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. You just click it and it'll take you to Amazon Prime where you can buy it. And if you don't want to buy it, no big deal. I appreciate you watching this video. Also, before you buy it, if you haven't already checked out my Furrion backup camera, you should check out that video. I'll have a link to that video right there because I think it's nice. I'm not brand loyal when it comes to any RV or any products. I definitely think you should do your shopping and you should get the one that you like the best. But if you do, I have all the links in the description below and all the specs. If you have any questions about this or anything RV related, send me an email, mattsrvreviews@gmail.com. Follow me on every social media platform at Matt's RV Reviews. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.